So last question. MHA has issued direction to exempt the lockdown for farmers and other farming related businesses. In view of the positive COVID case in the state, what is the government's stand on the relaxation? What are the steps taken so far to facilitate the farmers because it's the beginning of the season?
Yes, before this particular COVID case came out, we had already decided that we will allow the farming activities to take place. But of course, after the COVID positive court case, we had to review certain decisions. And a lot of the decisions that were made for the urban-centric locations, mainly Shillong, all those decisions were repealed. But the issue of the farmers and allowing the farmers, as mentioned by MHA, the MHA has allowed it. So in a very, very careful and following basic protocols, the different farmers, by ensuring that there will be no individuals or no workers coming in from any other part of the state, for any other part of the country, and also ensuring that there will be no inter-district movement. Certain relaxation to farmers is being allowed, and that too, but will be with a very strict supervision, because we also need to ensure that this season, when the farmer community needs to sow their seeds, does not go away without any efforts.